Hey guys, today's video is one I have not filmed in a while, but it is a 3-in-1 tutorial using this beauty right here. This is the Dose of Colors Desixkaty Friendcation palette. I picked this up fairly recently. I want to say it was either the end of 2018, the end of December, or beginning of January. I picked this guy up when it was on sale at Ulta, and I got to use a 20% off coupon, which was amazing. But I wanted to film this 3-in-1 tutorial for you. I did already film a Test It Out Tuesday, so I will link that right here if you're interested in checking that out. My Test It Out Tuesday is kind of like a first impression. So you get to see my first initial impression and thoughts on the palette. Then I created 3 more looks, this being one of them. Hopefully this video is not too dark and dreary. I do film in front of a window and it's not a very pretty day today, so I'm going to try to lighten this up so that you can see the colors and the makeup looks and such. But I thought that I would film a 3-in-1 tutorial so that I could show you 3 more looks. And stay tuned, because pretty shortly in the next couple of weeks here I will also have my final review, my final thoughts on this baby right here. So this 3-in-1 tutorial is going to be more like get ready with me style. I will just put music on the background, show you the 3 looks. I will insert pictures of what shades I used, but I'm not gonna like talk you through it or anything. So why don't we go ahead and jump into the video, and thank you guys so much for watching.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Discussed it with
seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season. Just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you'd react to me. So much differently. I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed